Cristiano Ronaldo took the biggest wages in football history, but owners took equity. That split decides who stays rich forever. This is not a debate about goals. This is a quiet war between employee athletes and owner athletes. Most pros cash the peak fund, the noise, then wake up broke with a famous name and zero control. Stay with me, because this exact same trap hits founders and freelancers who only sell their hours. An employee athlete sells his minutes, matches, and body years to the highest bidder. An owner athlete sells leverage, brand equity, and seats at tables that keep paying after the whistle. High wages feel infinite in year one, then shrink the second the body slows down or the market cools. Equity feels tiny on day one, then it compounds silently while the world forgets your last assist. Here is rule number one. Soon you will see why a smaller deal can destroy a giant paycheck. If money only moves when you show up, you are still an employee of your own highlight reel. Look at the salary machine. Huge income, huge lifestyle, huge burn rate, and 0-second engine. Supercars lose value, crews cash out, mansions eat money, and your contract never renews forever. 7 out of 10 professional athletes hit severe money trouble after retirement for this reason. They were paid like global stars but built like temporary workers. High income, low ownership. Tax cuts, agent fees, and lifestyle drain what remains into luxury toys that die every year. The human body is a depreciating asset. Treat it like your only factory, and the factory closes. Employee athletes negotiate the front page salary. Owner athletes hunt back page equity clauses. Endorsement cash is just rent. Brand equity is real property, and property outlives your career. Pay attention now. The owner path is not just for billionaires. It starts with one ugly decision. Decision 1. Put a heavy price tag on your attention. Never trade it for free gear and a smile. Global attention is a powerful asset. Brands will pay millions for a sentence beside a face. Decision 2. Take less upfront cash if the trade gives you real equity you can hold forever. Cash is finished money the day it hits the account. Equity is living money that multiplies. Decision 3. Own a dedicated lane. Media products, real estate, or rights tied to your name. David Beckham built far beyond his boots. Michael Jordan built far beyond his dunks. Michael Jordan stopped thinking like a talented employee and started thinking like an architect. Michael Jordan did not just cash checks. He built an empire that paid after stadium lights died. That is true owner logic. Turn peak athletic fame into a machine that does not need knees. Cristiano Ronaldo maximized the traditional wage engine better than almost any human alive. Huge salaries print fortune now, but the richest ending demands ownership pillars beside the wage. Owner athletes ask one core question: who collects for me when I am not on the pitch? Employee athletes only ask how big this year's salary is, and stop their thinking right there. Right now, you are going to see the brutal mathematics of lifestyle versus financial leverage. Say your peak income is massive for 8 years. Your burn rate matches it, then peak income ends. Without equity, your income chart collapses off a cliff. With equity, the chart keeps a floor. That floor is true freedom. The cliff is pure panic, wearing a famous surname. Financial handlers smile when you spend. Almost no one around you is paid to make you an owner. Build a second brain for money in the exact same years you build your body for sport. Audit every single deal. Ask yourself, what do I actually get when I walk out of this room? If your only answer is temporary applause, you just sold your future for a single night. Owners silently stack permanent assets, rights, equity, royalties, and controlled distribution. Employees stack trophies and stories. Both are beautiful until an injury or lawsuit hits. High wages are fuel, but asset ownership is the engine block. Fuel without an engine is a bonfire. An engine without fuel stalls. So take the high wage check and buy the engine immediately. Lock a cold percentage of every peak paycheck for asset ownership only. Make it untouchable. That locked percentage buys you permanent seats, not sneakers. And seats print cash forever. Social media feeds and businesses stay valuable if you own the kitchen, not the dinner invite. The same rule applies to creators and founders trading hours without holding product rights. The jersey changes over time, but the financial trap remains identical across every field. Remember the Cristiano Ronaldo lesson. Maximize cash, then demand ownership pillars. Remember the Michael Jordan lesson. Kill the rented talent mindset and build brand equity. Remember the broke athlete statistic. Most never fail at sport. They fail at financial structure. Structure looks boring on camera, but compounds quietly on your bank statements every year. Run these tests before signing. Does it pay if injured, and do you hold equity when buzz cools? Who gets the massive upside if this explodes 10 times? If not, you walk away. Fail these tests and you are using your prime years to fund someone else's empire. Pass these tests, and every single season builds a permanent floor under your future. Owner mindset is not arrogance. It is pure survival mathematics with a calm face. Employee mindset is not shame. It is simply a phase you choose to outgrow on purpose. Make your move this week. List every income line and mark whether it is wage or owned. Then cut one vanity expense and move that exact cash into a permanent owned lane. A small move today carries the exact same DNA as the Billionaire Athlete Playbook. The channel breaks these financial traps weekly, so you stop renting your prime years. If this hit home, subscribe right now. Next, we reveal how quiet money hides in plain sight. Comment owner if you are done cashing only. Comment employee if you are still stuck. Share this with one athlete or founder who still thinks a big paycheck is the ultimate plan. Full deep dives live on Mind of Millionaires. Think different, earn more, own the upside.